Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing your phone so the live lock screen can run smoothly. First, confirm you're on Android 14 or later. This unlocks native live lock screen options. Next, grant display and notification permissions to the lock screen app you'll use, because without permissions, the animations and info won't show. Also install Google Photos or a supported wallpaper provider if you plan to use dynamic images. Once done, you're ready to open lock screen settings and begin customization. Now dive into configuration. Open Settings, then Display, Lock Screen, and tap Live Lock Screen. Choose a template based on what you want: single photo, slideshow that cycles images, or an animated widget layout for live info. Pick one and preview. Make sure autoplay is enabled for animations and set brightness and timeout to match battery preferences. If the template supports gestures, map them now so swipes or taps reveal notifications or quick controls. Once customized, apply and test immediately to confirm behavior. Finish by testing the lock screen behavior. Lock your phone and observe animations, widgets, and whether notifications show as expected. If something doesn't appear, restart the device and return to permissions. Re-grant display and notification access if needed. Also check battery optimization and disable it for the lock screen app. Battery savers often stop live content. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the wallpaper app. Then reapply the live lock screen template and test again to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.